What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. This is your Sunday Motivator, and I got a great video for you. But what I need you to do right now is hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I need you to come along with us on the journey. Check the description tab out. Tons of tools and tidbits and all products and services for Traders War Room right there at your fingertips. Now, if that sounds good and you're ready to rock it with me, then all I got to say to you is follow me, and let's go to war together. Traders War Room, let's get it. Welcome back, team. Legal disclaimer. This is not financial advice. The content is for entertainment and education purposes only. You're responsible for every decision you make. We want you to have fun, use caution, and always go to war. Some services we provide. I'm not going to beat this up too much right now, but everything, products and services that we have on file can be found at traderswarroom.com. So check it out today. Stay tuned at the end of the video for hot TWR products and services and upcoming classes. We want to grow, learn, share, and make some money together. So getting into the killer trades from last week, guys, we had a whole bunch of them, but I want to highlight a couple of them just so you know how Traders War Room gets down. Right here, we had an entry into Disney and HLT, and boom, exit right there. Big money on both of those tickers from swing trades. Pulling it in, we had another one. This was a little bit more risky. This was on NVDA. Since it was volatile last week, we went ahead and hopped in and ended up paying out. We got $30 per contract. You know, simple, easy money plays like this are bread and butter for Traders War Room. And the big boy, guys, this one, killer trade, SPY, 415 call. We went ahead and swung this till the end of the week, and boom, look at this. Money in the bank. It doesn't get much better than that. And you guys can get all sorts of killer trades just like these if you join the bulls at TWR. So check us out on the Discord or the instant messaging platform. Bottom line, we're destroying the market no matter which direction it goes, up, down, sideways. We're trying to go out there, destroy the market, and make killer trades. So the one question I have for you is, are you ready for war? TWR is. So join us today and let's go to war together. All right, so let's get into it. How the market closed. Basically, the market closed on Friday. We were green across the board, guys. Futures looking like we're pretty red. So we'll see what they do in the morning. But as we're looking right now, futures are looking pretty bloody. So we could open up a little bit lower than we have previously, just because we went on such a huge bull run closing out the past couple trading sessions. And your sector performance, consumer discretionary and technology were up huge. Energy and consumer staples were the lowest laggers. All right, here's your total market image on how we closed on Friday. Here's your hot ETFs. Now, these are the ones that are moving the best, all right? We had TQQQ and the SQQQ, SPY, and a lot of the other ones that we're used to, but these are the big movers and shakers as far as ETFs are concerned. Here's your dark pools coming in, SPY, Q, Microsoft, a lot of movers and shakers with the big liquid stocks coming in. We got a few other ones that are new to this particular list, AMGN, MRK, so definitely some things to pay attention to and watch. And here's your calls versus your puts, kind of 50-50 on this one right here. Definitely will pay attention to where the money is flowing, and obviously we'll always follow the trend. Hot stock movers. Here's your top trending stocks. Guys, we got a lot of meme stocks still trending pretty hard. So definitely we're paying attention to those. Be very cautious when we get into these meme stocks and these high volatility tickers that are moving around. However, we want to follow the money and definitely follow the flow. 52-week high stocks. Got a lot of these new stocks that hit the 52-week highs because the market was just extremely pumping the past few trading sessions. So definitely paying attention to these. A lot of times you see the 52-week highs with the 52-week lows, and they can give us an opportunity to go short on the 52-week highs, catch a little bit of a cool down period, and then on the 52-week lows, we can catch a bounce from rejection from the bottom. Most active stocks right there. These are the ones that have the big volume pushing in. Most volatile stocks, of course, you're going to have some of the big names that we all pay attention to. Tesla, huge volatility. That's why people love to trade that stock. We got some golden crosses. Now, understanding with the golden crosses, these are all stocks where you had a 5 cross over the 10, giving it a bullish signal. and pushing out. Sometimes people will call a golden cross a different thing. However, this particular feed that I'm driving is when the 5 crosses over the 10, giving you a bullish intraday signal. And then you got your death cross, just the same except in reverse, the 5 crossing to the downside on the 10. So top stories, here we go. Asia shares edge higher, way of Fed words. So Asian shares inched higher on Monday, with investors anxious to see if Wall Street can sustain its rally, as hopes U.S. inflation have peaked will be tested by likely hawkish commentary from the Federal Reserve this week. So we're definitely paying attention to that. Next one, Saudi Aramco profit soars on high prices and refining margins. So we're definitely paying attention to energy on this particular trade. State oil giant Saudi Aramco on Sunday reported its highest quarterly profit since the company went public in 2019, boosted by higher oil prices and refining margins. So we're definitely paying attention to oil. It was also one of the staples that did not so well compared to all the other industries last week. And finally, cast in California, tech giants confront ancient Indian hierarchy. So America's tech giants are taking a modern day crash course in India's ancient caste system, with Apple emerging as an early leader in policies to rid Silicon Valley of rigid hierarchy that segregated Indians for generations. So I'm not really sure how this will play out. However, this could always get some, news and media, especially when things are taking kind of a sideways moving after we had such a bull rush. So, a couple tickers to pay attention to: Apple, Cisco, IBM, Amazon, Microsoft. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the stocks and charts. What looks good moving forward? So we got some earnings coming up, okay? Earnings season has pretty much subsided. We do got some big earnings coming up this week that we're interested in. However, the main bulk of the mega caps is done. So, we're just kind of playing it by ear. We got some Walmart, we got some Home Depot, Target, Cisco, Lowe's, a few other ones too, but definitely we're out of the main bulk of those mega caps, big movers and shakers. So we'll see how the earnings play out this week. So stocks to watch. SPY, let's get started with some ETFs. SPY, I'm bearish. I think the push on the market the past few weeks has me thinking that we got hit with some buyer's exhaustion, and I got a feeling that we're going to come down a little bit. I don't know if we'll come back down to the 420s quite yet, but I do think we have a cool down period and we come down a little bit based off of hitting some rejection. XOP, I'm bullish on this, the new overseas dealing with oil, and looking for a breakout. And so we got that news with Aramco and some other ones. Also, the industry didn't do so hot closing out the week last week. I think we're due for a little bit of rebound in oil, and I think we break out from this current area where we're at. And XLY, so this was a consumer staples one, and I'm 50-50 on this one. It depends on big earnings from Walmart, Target, Home Depot, and some others this week, whether we can break out from this area or we cool down a little bit. So we'll see what happens. According to the chart, we're looking pretty bullish on this one, so I am leaning more to the bull side if we can keep up with the decent earnings. But however, if we start to see some of those big players pull back, then we'll see this one pull back as well. Moving on to the stocks. So meme stock watch. Okay, BBY. I'm 50-50 on this one. It's a meme stock. I'm following the trend and sentiment. So when I'm trading this one, I'm just trading based off of momentum. I see, on a 5-minute or 15-minute chart, I see some crosses and some indicators giving me signals to buy. I'm going to go ahead and hop in. I see the indicators to sell. I'm going to go ahead and get out. So nothing big for me on these stocks except following the trend. KSS, I'm bullish on this one. They got earnings at the end of the week, and I'm looking for a ride into earnings and maybe a surprise. So my idea on this one is we're going to go ahead. We're already in this trade. We're going to go ahead and see what it does, early in the week, and we'll play it with the momentum and see what it does. And if it's going on and doing fairly well, maybe clearing that gap that it had recently, then we'll go ahead and maybe, trim out main position and then hold a few runners as lottos. Walmart, I'm bullish. I think they got better results on earnings this time than they did last time. And also pay attention to Target and some of the other retailers because they will follow in suit. So if Walmart does well, you'll see some of the other ones doing well as well. If Walmart does not do well, then you'll see the other ones ride the coattails. So I'm bullish on this, but be cautious and also paying attention to some other coattailers. Home Depot, another one I'm bullish on. I'm liking this for a breakout towards 320. A low and some other ones that are in this industry will follow on the sentiment of Home Depot. So I am looking for out a breakout where we're at currently. I don't think we'll get a huge dramatic breakout towards the 340 area, but I do think that we see our way running towards 320. Foot Locker, I'm bullish on this, pushing the earnings towards 33, 34 bucks. I like this one. They got earnings at the end of the week. I like this one this week. Definitely was hitting a low, and we've seen some nice momentum. I think that we get a little bit of a push and a little bit of peak on this one. Oh, and here we go. Free trade alert. It is the Sunday tradition, guys. Here we go. What are we looking at? We're looking at Foot Locker. Okay. I think calls above 32 bucks and puts below 31 bucks. I was looking at the volume on the trades, and I see some definite opportunities in the option contracts on the 26th August expiration. So we'll check this one out. If you guys like what I put out here, the other ones that we did on Plug and Lucid definitely made some money. So if you want to follow me on this particular trade, join a Discord or join the instant messaging alerts and get some. That's it, team, guys. I want you to invest in yourself in 2022 with Traders War Room and quit wasting that money that's not making money. Guys, stay tuned for hot new upcoming products and services that we can grow, learn, share, and make some money. And if you aren't interested in that, stop the video right now. You guys already know what type of fire we bring. And as always, let's go to war. But if you want to keep rocking, then come along and stay tuned with us. All right, guys, if you're back here, that means you want to see what we got upcoming. So let's go ahead and hop into it right now. Right now, we got a class coming up on 21 August at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. 15 bucks will get you a seat, and you get to keep the recording. You're going to learn how to build winning charts from scratch. Basically, you guys are going to give me tickers that you're interested in. We're going to build the charts right then and there in this classroom, and we're going to build them from scratch so you guys can see how it's done for professional. Okay, been building winning charts from scratch, drawing winning patterns on trends, and finding entry criteria for both long and short positions. Don't miss this class, especially if this is something you're interested in or you struggle at, and I'll see you there on 21 August. Register today and build your battle plan with Traders War Room. Services we provide. I told you I wasn't going to beat it up at the beginning because I got it right here, guys. We got tons of services, free and paid services. We got the real-time buy and sell alerts. We got live trading bell to bell every day the market's open. We got a professional in our live trading room that's trading and training and taking questions and showing you guys how it's done real time. We also do the one-on-one mentoring, guys. We are booking these out quick. Okay, so if you need some mentoring or some guidance, definitely hit us up because we'll put you in a slot and we're booking them out, you know, a week to 2 weeks in advance. And we got trading classes like we just talked about just a second ago, and a fantastic community. So come check us out, guys. Something for everyone, every style, and every budget. So come get some. Just talking on that TWR one-on-one mentoring, all it's about is developing skills and gaining confidence, receiving guidance, refining strategies, and getting a pro perspective to explore new plans of attack, guys. If that's something you're into, book your session today. It's easy, okay? You go to the website, you read our bios, you pick an analyst, you pay, and our secretary sets it up, and it's that easy. And then we execute, and you get the copy of a recording and a PowerPoint presentation of highlights like Cliff Notes. Instant messaging platform, guys, we have been blowing up on this. A lot of people are overwhelmed with whatever platform that they're trading on. They want simplicity. So we got something for you guys. 2 channels, TWR and 1 channel, chat with other members that are in the alerts as well. Easy, less noise, just alerts. So we tell you guys, come get some. And all you got to do is hit up that link right there at the bottom, and you can come over on this particular platform and hit us up. The classes, we got the upcoming and historical classes. So we want to invite you to come check out what we have, man. Various topics to become a total investor, trading strategy, become a lethal trader, perspective from pro traders on proven tactics to make consistent wins. Every battle needs a plan. Build your plan with Traders War Room. And our big one that we got coming up, guys, we have our next options trading fundamentals course. Okay, it's going to start the week of 29 August. It's a little expensive, but that's why we got payment plans. But this is a straight up from the cradle to the grave 6-week course, 2 sessions per week. They're going to be Tuesday and Thursdays, and from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. And we're going to cover everything underneath the sun, from option trading fundamentals to the winning mindset and emotional trading, guys. So definitely, we want you to go from good to elite traders, and we want you to inquire today. Registration opens 15 August. You can hit us up at the email or go to traderswarroom.com and register tomorrow. And with that said, guys, that is it. We want you to quit wasting that money that doesn't make money. We want you to invest in yourself in 2022. We hope you do that with Traders War Room. And with that said, we want to invite everyone to come trade with the bulls at TWR and see what we have to offer. Check us out on the website or go to the social media. You can type at Traders War Room in at any of our social medias and find our content over there. And with that said, guys, we look at the stock market like a war zone. Stocks a sector. Those are our battles. We do it together as a team, attacking, conquering, and destroying. And we're always going to war. If that's something that you can get down with, then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war together. Traders War Room later.